Ever wondered how to make the perfect birthday cheesecake? Well, you're in for a treat. There's something magical about a birthday cheesecake. It's not just about the creamy, melt-in-your-mouth goodness or the crunchy crust that makes your taste buds dance. It's about the love, the celebration, and the joy that comes with every bite. And today, we're going to delve into the art of creating this delight. The recipe we're about to share is not just simple, but absolutely delicious. It's a recipe that's been passed down through generations, tweaked and perfected over time, and now it's here for you to enjoy. It's a recipe that's going to make any birthday special, whether it's your own or a loved one's. It's more than just a dessert, it's a celebration in itself. So, are you ready to whip up the best cheesecake ever? To start, gather all the necessary ingredients. The crust is the foundation of our birthday cheesecake, so we'll need graham crackers, unsalted butter, and a touch of granulated sugar. Now, let's move on to the heart of the cake, the filling. We'll need cream cheese at room temperature, a bit of all-purpose flour, more granulated sugar, a dash of pure vanilla extract, and fresh sour cream. Don't forget the star of the show, eggs. We'll need them at room temperature too. Finally, the topping is what gives our cheesecake its birthday flair. We'll need heavy cream, white chocolate, and your favorite colored sprinkles to make it festive. Remember, the magic of a perfect cheesecake lies in the quality of the ingredients, so go for the best you can find. Your taste buds will thank you later. Once you've got all your ingredients, it's time to start baking. The first step in creating your perfect cheesecake is crafting the crust. And let me tell you, a well-crafted crust can make or break your cheesecake literally. It forms the base, providing structural integrity and a delightful crunch that perfectly complements the creamy filling. Start by combining crushed graham crackers, melted butter, and a pinch of salt in a bowl. The butter acts as a binder, holding the crumbs together, while the salt subtly enhances the sweetness. Stir it until the mixture resembles wet sand. Next, it's time to press this mixture into the bottom of your pan. Use the bottom of a glass or measuring cup to press the crumbs evenly. You'll want to press firmly to ensure the crust holds together. It's not just about the taste, but the texture too. A firm, well-pressed crust will give your cheesecake the support it needs. With the crust ready, you're one step closer to your perfect birthday cheesecake. Now, let's move on to the creamy, delicious filling. Creating the perfect filling is all about the blend. Start by mixing the cream cheese until it's wonderfully smooth, then add in the sugar and continue to mix. Once these two are combined beautifully, it's time to bring in the eggs. Add them one at a time, ensuring each egg is fully incorporated before adding the next. Finally, pour in the vanilla extract for that extra splash of flavor. Once you're satisfied with your creamy concoction, pour it over your pre-baked crust. Spread it evenly, ensuring every corner is filled. Then into the oven it goes. Set your timer, but remember, you don't want to overbake. A slightly jiggly center is a sign of a perfectly baked cheesecake. It's this delicate balance that gives our birthday cheesecake its signature creamy texture. After baking, it's time for the final touch, the topping. The final step to your perfect birthday cheesecake is the topping. Now, this is where you let your creativity run wild. Start with a sweet and tangy layer of homemade blueberry compote or a drizzle of caramel sauce or even a dusting of powdered sugar. The key is to balance the rich creaminess of the cheesecake with something that adds a bit of contrast. Spread your chosen topping evenly over the cooled cheesecake, ensuring every slice will be equally delightful. The beauty of this recipe is not just in its delectable taste, but also in the simplicity of its steps. From gathering your ingredients, crafting the crust, to filling and baking, every stage is straightforward, making it a joy to create. The result? A mouth-watering birthday cheesecake that's sure to impress. Whether you're a seasoned baker or a novice, this recipe is a guaranteed success. And there you have it, the perfect birthday cheesecake. Happy baking, and enjoy your special day.